My name's Kerry Badham and I'm delighted to show you today our brand new Get Sporty large tappet cutter. Our large tappet cutter consists of 5 different items. We have a sports t-shirt, we have a football, a rugby ball, a sports boot, and of course a trophy. The paste we recommend you use is modelling paste, and you can buy modelling paste ready-made or you can make it yourself. It's nice and easy to do. This is a Tylo powder by Rainbow Dust, but you may see a CMC or gum trag available. You can use 1/4 teaspoon to 250 grams, or you can make up small amounts as you go along, which is what I prefer to do. So put it on your mat and knead your paste in, and keep kneading it in very well. You'll feel the paste start to firm up a little, and then what you need to do is just wrap it in some cling film or put it in an airtight container and leave it for at least 30 minutes. It is good to make it up the night before in all the colours you need for the following day. I've rolled out 3 different colours of modelling paste. I've rolled them out to approximately 2mm thick, and I like to leave mine dry off a little just so they're not too sticky and it won't stick in the cutter. You'll feel the top, it feels like it's got a bit of a crust, and as it's a modelling paste it's very easy to move around without damaging it. So I've rolled this out on my non-stick mat with a non-stick rolling pin, and then you turn it over. So the first one we're going to make is the t-shirt. So it's nice and simple. Roll it out, place your tappet on top, so just a section that you want to cut out, and I slide it around the mat. The purpose of this is to get a really nice clean cut. You always get a nice sharp finish with our cutters anyway, but this will stop any frayed edges, and it'll also give you an indication if your paste is too thick. You won't be able to feel the cutter below, the mat below, sorry, your cutter. So nice and simple. So give a little rub, and then I tap it out, and here's your t-shirt. As you can see on the cupcake, I've gone over with some white, and all I've done there is cut out another t-shirt. I cut out a section, just a small section that we need here, slide it round, tap that section out, and then all I did was cut out the area that I wanted. Once that's nice and dry, I just placed it into the cupcake, onto the buttercream, or you could cut out a circle disc and place it on top. I'll just show you again. This time we'll make a little football. So place it on top of the modelling paste, put it around so you can feel your cutter underneath, turn it over, remove the excess, and you can either rub it with the back of your hand because we want to show the embossing, or you can do as I've done on this one, and I've cut out the separate sections. Comes out nice and easy, no frayed edges, and in here exactly the same as before. So this time if I rub a little harder with the back of my hand, I can more or less cut out the sections of the ball from the beginning. So it's quite nice. I can just pull out the bits I want, and exactly the same as I did with the t-shirt, I can just stick pieces on. to decorate. And you can do this all the way around. So there you have it. You have 5 fantastic cutouts that you simply tap out using our large FMM Sports Tap It cutter, perfect for the sports enthusiast.